the thread-lock Vosteed Corgi here. And it's got a very interesting handle going on. I'm going to use the Rivery Zero here to make an incision on both of these boxes. So we're ready to go. This one's made in good old US of A aluminum milling utility blade. Very fidgety. Absolutely can't recommend it enough. But all right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Now, Vosteed has just been killing it recently, right, with all of their new models. And they go back and they revisit older models and they spice them up as well. And here it is, guys. Here is the new Vosteed thread-lock Corgi right here. And this one's rocking the, I believe there's two versions of this new micarta, which just looks so hot. Blue Ocean is one of them. And this one is called the Copper Raindrop micarta. So it looks so good. It's got these circles with different sort of colors, layers and whatnot to them. Of course, you got the good old Vosteed Corgi here, which is a very awesome knife on the DL. The blade tucks completely into the handle. I absolutely love that about it. It's a button lock with the front flipper and the back flipper, and it just looks so uniform. Just a nice little oval shape to it. The pocket carry clip that is reversible, so has a filler tab as well. It's a very tastefully done knife, one of my old-time favorites from Vosteed. And now rocking this new micarta. Come on, sign me up. So here's the blade. We're looking at a 14C 28-inch steel blade with a flat grind on this one. Beautiful drop point blade, of course. I mean, you already know. Vosteed absolutely knows how to do here. Amazing design with the satin finish. Looking the best. Let's zoom out a bit here. And of course, this one's brand new out of the box, so I'm breaking it in here. All right, some good action. I do appreciate, believe it or not, the button has this sort of diamond pattern on it. It gives you additional grip. It actually doesn't protrude all that much from the handle. That's another nice touch right there. So you get grip while using the button, and it also doesn't poke out all that much. And this thing, of course, is on ball bearings, so action is really, really smooth. A front flipper, of course, is really nice. They give you jimping both in the front and on top. Same thing with the back flipper. So front flipper, dialed, and of course, this one works as a back flipper, so that one also works really well. But we're looking at least 3 different deployment methods, so it makes it a very fidget-friendly style EDC knife. And at the same time, you know, good ergos too, right? Not a sore spot here. I do feel the pocket clip a tad bit, but it's still good. 9 out of 10 right there, pretty solid. Able to get a full 4-finger grip there all day, every day. And I have featured this knife in the past here in the channel also, so I'm not going to go full in-depth, but at least want to give you a quick rapid-fire overview. We do have the same matching micarta back spacer right here, so that's a nice touch. That has your lanyard solution, which is very tastefully done, so you don't end up with the ugly hole on the show side. Right, you got this little bar right here in the back for your lanyard solution, and through, I mean, the fit, the finish is very spot on. We got some milling on the inside on both sides for weight reduction. So that is the, again, good old Vosteed Corgi from Vosteed, one of their most popular models. Everybody loves the Vosteed Corgi. And now it has the new micarta option, which absolutely looks fire, if you ask me, right? You guys obviously let me know in the comments, right? What is your cup of tea? Some brands launch products or knives, and they come out with whatever handle option they come out with, and that's it, right? There's no way to upgrade them or change them in the future. You have to go to the aftermarket for, you know, like an aftermarket scale. But Vosteed is like, okay, we came across this new micarta, Blue Ocean and Copper Raindrop. What if we start putting that on some of the already popular models? And that's a win-win for everybody, right? Obviously, they're going to be selling more of those models. And some people who maybe already have another variant but now want this new scale can also pick it up as well. And that means the knife is going to be staying around for a longer period of time. So obviously, it's a win-win for the knife community.